You can now claim your NodePay token into your exchange. So welcome everyone to Digitest. If this is your first time of coming across my channel or you're yet to subscribe to this channel, do well to like, subscribe, and more importantly, make sure you join my Telegram channel. Link in the description for this video. So you can now claim your NodePay token into your different into your exchange. So now, if you look at your NodePay account, you discover that the option to actually claim your NodePay is not available on your NodePay account if you go the normal way. But I'm going to break it down and simplify how you can actually claim it now as I'm speaking to you. And mind you, no gas fee. You get that point? Now let's proceed. And for you to be able to claim it each free, you need to use your Solana wallet, either Phantom wallet or Sophia wallet. You get it? So if you are using your Phantom wallet, all you need to do is to go to your Phantom wallet. So when you come to your Phantom wallet, as you can see from here, so when you come here, this place I highlighted, then you're going to paste this address ai.nodefoundation.ai. So now I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video in the comment section. Then you can copy, then come to your Phantom wallet, then you paste the wallet and the address. So now if you are using a Sophia wallet, it's the same procedure. So come to your Sophia wallet. So when you come to your Sophia wallet, you are going to come to this area that looks like the world map, this highlighted place. So when you come here, you are going to paste the same address there. They are going to come to where the page where you are actually going to claim your token. Now, if you scroll down, you will see the option to connect. So you are going to connect to your wallet. So now, the wallet you actually choose, the one you initially connected to your NodePay account is the one you actually use, either Sophia wallet or Phantom wallet. So I actually use Sophia wallet. That's why I'm using it. So I'm going to connect it now to Sophia wallet. So now it's connected. Then you are going to see the airdrop you are being allocated to. Then if you scroll down, there are two options here: claim on chain at TGE. That means claiming on chain, you are claiming into your Solana wallet, which is Sophia wallet that I actually use. So if you use Phantom wallet, that means you are claiming to your Phantom wallet. Now, claim off chain to set. That means you are claiming to either OKS, Get.io, and the likes. If you are using that, there is no gas fee, as you can see from here. Now, for sex, it's only OKS that is available. So when you select the OKS, you will see the requested for Solana deposit address, then OKS UID. So all you need to do is to go to your OKS account, click on deposit or asset. From asset, you click on deposit or add fund. So from there, you are going to search for Solana address. Then you copy your Solana address, you paste it here. Then you go to the top left corner of your OKS account. Then you click and copy your UID. Then you paste it here. Then you click on agree on the use term and privacy policy. Then you click on the two confirmation. Then you click on what? Confirm to claim your NodePay token. Now for on-chain token claim, you can see if you click on on-chain, it said claim are not yet live. So for those of us that want to claim to our Solana address, yet it's not yet available. So we're going to wait till the day of listing. You get the point? So that is just a simple one. Now you can actually claim your airdrop. It's as simple as ABC. If you are using a phone browser, it will be very difficult for you to actually connect it to your Solana wallet so that you can see the claim page. That's why you have to use your wallet, your Solana wallet, to do this for easy process. You get the point now. So if you still have any question, drop it in the comment section, and more importantly, join my Telegram channel so that we can guide you properly and very well. So if you like this video, do well to subscribe, like, and drop your thoughts in the comment section. See you at the top. And more importantly, before I go, if you are here to start farming seriously Node project, Testnet project, you are missing out. Link to some of the Node and Testnet project we're actually farming in Digitest in the comment section or check your Telegram channel. See you at the top.